Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This one is a collaboration video from Homgeek. They sent it to me for free. This one is one of their best sellers, so they want me to test it out and make a honest review of their product. So I'm really excited. So let's unbox it first, guys, and let's see what it looks like. They have this one on Amazon, so you guys check it out. Guys, I am back and I just finished washing this thing over here. What I like about this one, guys, is it's not gloss, so I like it because it's super like light. I have like the old one before and it's a glass one and it's super heavy and I don't like it, but this one is plastic. I like it, so I already washed it. So right now let's make some smoothie. Okay, as you can see here, I got this one from Walmart. I got pineapple here, I got mango chunks. We're gonna use some fresh strawberries, and also I have some mango juice. I'm gonna add this one, the only juice I have. So this is from Del Monte mango. And what I like about this one also is it comes with this thing here. It's gonna be easy for me to like mix it. I don't know if I can lock it, but it seems like it doesn't lock because see, I'm just gonna pick it up and just put it like that. There's no like lock or anything, I think. Let me see, there's an on off over here. So on, okay. Oh no, wait. Let's put the fresh strawberry first. Okay. Let's add some pineapple. The mango smells good. Add mango in there. Ooh, this looks so yummy. Gonna add a little bit of the mango juice over here. So let's see. Just a little bit. Let's cover on smoothie. Whoa. That's better. There you go. Some straw. Tastes so good. Wow, it tastes good, and it's so like cold. Like I feel like it's frozen. You know, like I think you can make like ice cream also, you guys. This one comes with 50 recipe, guys, so it's really nice. Cocktails over here that you can make. There's like a recipe for that. You can make a tortilla soup if you want. Frozen whiskey sour. Ooh. You can use it to make peanut butter. I'm gonna try to make this recipe over here. You guys can check it out on Amazon, and I think they also have a website. I think they have a juicer, they have like a portable blender, some other kitchen stuff. You can buy this one on Amazon. High speed blender. So they recommended to me to try this out because they said this is one of their best seller and they want me to test it. So far it's good. I like it. I'm excited to try the other recipes that comes in the book over here, like 50 recipe, guys. That's a lot of recipe. And see, look at this one, like a dessert. You can make like a frozen yogurt. So you guys check it out on Amazon. I will leave the link down below. Thank you so much, Homgeek, for sending me this blender over here. I really appreciate it and I like it so much. So yeah, I think that's it. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. Let me know. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye guys.